Zero Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, welcome to the project based learning activity. In this activity, my team is going to perform a project that is image converted into a pencil sketch. Let me introduce myself. Myself Kale Shriram Kakasaheb, and my group members are Kard Vaishnavi Suresh, Kamble Sahil Raju and Kamblekar Shraddha Ramesh. We have done this project under the guidance of Professor More sir. The programming language used for this project is a Python, which is very interesting. So let's see some common features of Python. Python is easy to code, it is free and open source, it is high level and object oriented language. In this project, we are going to use some library functions. First of all, we will use the OpenCV library for this project. For image converted, first of all we have to take one image, then we have to convert this image into a grayscale image. After this, we are going to invert the grayscale image, and in the last step we are going to create a pencil sketch by mixing the grayscale image with inverted blurry image. So here is a code of a program. Now I am going to the program here. So let's see it. Here we have import a CV2 library which is used in this project. In image we have taken the image of Mahi sir. Then in this gray image we are going to convert the image into grayscale image. In this inverted image, this gray image is converted inverted, and this is for blurry effect. And in last, in pencil sketch, we are getting the pencil sketch of Mahi sir. So let's run it. So here is a sketch of Mahi sir. So in this slide, you can show the original image and a pencil scale image. So thank you so much.
Zero Education Society.